Capital Building Supply Better, Faster, Stronger, Safer series. Today we're going to talk about exterior bridging for commercial buildings that is conducted by drywall contractors, interior finishing contractors. For the curtain wall, the exterior facade of the building, we need to have this done prescriptively due to code requirements to prevent torsion from wind load and crushing that happens from the facade. There's a couple of different ways. Typically we are going to have 16 gauge studs, but they could be anywhere from 16, 14, and 12 gauge studs on the exterior of the building. You're going to have your studs. You need to bridge that typically every 4 feet to 6 feet going up. There's a couple methods that have been prescriptively done in our industry. One is to take flat strap and blocking. So we'll put a piece of flat strap sometimes on one side of the wall. Due to the wind loads, the design professional may require it on both sides of the wall. A screw has to go at each and every stud, every 4 to 6 feet going up that wall, and then every 10 feet within that strap, you will have to include a 16-inch piece of blocking, which is another stud or track. That will have to go in there. Another way to do it is to take cut angle, 1.5 inch cut angle. You'll chop it yourself. Prescriptively, that would have to be 80% of the stud width. Very hard to control. That will also take 4 screws. So when you do that, you're going to run a piece of CRC, cold rolled channel. Some call it black iron, some call it U-channel. Either way, it's going to go through your studs. That 1.5 inch piece of 80% stud width cut angle is going to attach to your stud with 2 screws and 2 more screws that go down into the cold rolled channel. A very labor intensive way to install. Simpson Strong-Tie has come up with a product. SUBH stands for Structural U-Channel Bridging, 3.25, 3¼ inches. It's simple to install. The cold rolled channel is going to go through your studs. Simpson Strong-Tie has done testing for most of your load requirements that can be spaced up to 8 feet. No other bridging option can be spaced up to 8 feet. You're going to simply take your clip, you're going to install it right down on top of your cold rolled channel, 1 screw and done. So this clip has to go with each and every stud. Every 8 feet going up, you're going to have the cold rolled channel. So in certain cases, you can cut your cold rolled channel cost in half by going from your possibly 4-foot spacing all the way to 8-foot spacing. The clip is much faster to install, 1 screw and done. This is the better, faster, stronger way to get your job done.